Anderson, our crop marketing specialist, joins us now. And Kim, we've been talking a lot about canola this week. What is the market offering as we head toward harvest?
Well, it's not very good right now. You look at forward contracts for harvest delivered canola in Oklahoma, most places it's right around $6 per bushel. You can go back to last June at harvest, the Oklahoma canola price was $10 per bushel.
And then the big question, why do we see a $4 drop?
Well, probably because most Oklahoma canola is based on soybean meal and soybean oil prices, and they're dramatically lower right now. But if you look at North Dakota, last June it was $10.45 a bushel, and right now in Dakota they're offering $8.40 a bushel. So you know, you've got that $2 decline at North Dakota, and you got a $4 decline here. So I think that's hope. I think that gives us hope for our price increasing as we approach harvest. It's possible right now that our buyers just don't want a forward contract, just don't want to take that harvest risk with the drought conditions we've got. And so I think they're minimizing that risk by offering a low price, and it'll come up as we approach harvest.
Let's switch gears now and talk a little bit about wheat. We've mentioned the rain a lot. What did that do to wheat prices?
Well, it drove the wheat prices down another 40 cents. In other words, anticipation of the rain, and we actually got that 1.25 inches. And it's amazing. You know you're in drought conditions when everybody gets excited about an inch of rain. But that was a 7% decline in wheat prices. I talked to some producers in Garfield County, and they were telling me that their yields may have increased from like 12 to 15 bushels per acre to up around 24 or 25. If you look at that, you're giving up a 7% decline in price to get a 60% increase in yields. I think that's a pretty good trade-off. That means they're over 50% better off gross return than they were before the rain.
Now another question, if we continue to get some rains this spring heading into harvest, what do you think it'll do to prices?
Well, I think if we continue to get rain, I believe those yields will continue to increase. This week we popped through that $5 or broke the $5.22 price support on the Kansas City July contract. The next support or the price target is right around $5, $4.96 to be specific. That's a range, of course. If it continues to rain, I think we could break that $4.96 and go down and challenge that $4.55. If prices get down that low, and I think the odds of that are relatively small, and we're 30 under for our cash price bid. I think if prices are low at harvest, that we will see prices back up, at least on the board, in the five quarter, maybe $5.50 range as we get to December 1 of this year.
Okay, Kim Anderson, thanks a lot. And we'll continue our conversation on wheat with Mike Schulte from the Oklahoma Wheat.